2012 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, airbags, driver airbag, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, compass, fog lamps, power windows, passenger airbag, heated driver's seat, trip computer, remote power door locks, leather seats, tachometer, heated passenger seat, heads-up display, privacy glass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.